Good day, friends. A user asked me to help create a SVG file. So my friends, let's get cracking. So the user had been struggling getting this to come out as an SVG and tried to push it halfway through, but that didn't really work because when it's halfway through, that totally cancels out the export. I'll do show all, created a box that totally fits it, and all I'm doing is making sure this is totally flat. I made it 2/10 thick. When I group those and hit the letter D, it drops to that exact flat level. This is only a just in case. The height on an SVG doesn't matter anyways because it's going to be laser cut. At that point, we're going to hit export and we're going to do SVG. I already did it once, but I'm going to keep it with the same name in the one so I can show you what we have to do next. I'm going to open the file in Inkscape 1.0 by doing File and Open. And then from screenshots, I'm going to grab that name. And when it launches, you cannot see a thing. So it feels like nothing's there, but watch this. First, File Document Properties. And I don't want pixels, I want millimeters. That's something I've seen before, so I was ready for it. The second thing is you've got an item here. I'm going to do Control A to grab it that you can't see. I'm going to right click and set the stroke to red so that it's easier to see. And then I'm going to go to the stroke style and check it out. It's 0.004 millimeters. I'm going to make that 0.25 and bam. You can see our shape really was there. It was just darn near invisible. Now you can do a quick file save and you're good to go on the laser cutter. Friends, if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.